Una don my people from anywhere in the world wey dey take watch my video. I greet una. My name na Omobolanle Adedeji. I be your pidgin teacher for this data analytics matter. For this video, I wan quickly sama una how we fit take use if and ifs for inside Excel and take do your analysis. If you never subscribe put for my channel, na the correct time be this make you subscribe for my channel. And no forget to click on the notification button so that you go dey among the first set of people wey go dey see all the better video wey I go dey sama una. And then no forget to comment, no forget to share and give person wey go need this thing, especially people wey be say they go understand pidgin pass for this matter. Now, how we dey take use this if? I don put equal sign. If you don't know wetin I dey do with this equal sign, na im be say you dey new for this Excel and data analytics matter, sharply run go inside my channel, go watch all the video wey I don sama put for there, take dey explain many things for new people wey want start data analytics or new people wey just dey use Excel. Now as I don use if now, the equal sign, I go come type if, press tab. E don ask us say logical test. Na im be say wetin I wan test. Now I go come here now, select all this thing wey dey under age, come tell am say above 30. Na im say I dey tell am say the thing wey you go test now be say you go test this column wey dey for here. Anyone wey dey above 30 o, na im we dey find. Come put comma. As I put comma now, you see say this thing don comot for here, e don come to this one now. E come dey ask us say if the thing o, if it's true, na im be say if you see above 30, wetin make e return am as? Go come tell am wetin this wetin im go do for this above 30. I come put this sign. No forget to put this sign o. Make I show you something. If I no put the sign, see am, e don dey see am say I wan do formula. So you gats put the sign. Now, then put am again, come do comma. As I do comma, you see say this thing now, e don move again, come here. E come dey ask me say value if false. Na im be say if e come this thing o, e no see above 30, wetin make im do? I go come tell am wetin e go do. I don put that sign again, come put young. Na im be say I don tell am say this thing o, you go test am o. Anybody wey you see say e dey above 30, call them old. Anybody wey no dey above 30, call them young. I come press enter now. E don put am here. See, anybody wey their age dey 30 o and below, you don see them as young. Anybody wey im age don pass 30, you don see them as old. Na im be say e don do am. Na so we dey take use if for this data analytics matter. If you start your analysis, you go understand how you fit take use all these things. You go understand how important this thing e dey. Now to ifs, you go start am again with equal sign, ifs, press tab. This if we dey take am test do logical test, many logical tests wey pass only one. For the first one wey we do, na only one e do and then e finish. For this one now, you fit do many, you fit test many logic for inside there. Now I go come here, I go come do this one, I come do salesman. Do this job title. I'll come put am equal to, put my sign. So I'll come tell am say if you see sales man o, comma, e don ask me say value o, if it's true, wetin make e return am to, wetin make e do? I'll come put am, come say promote. Na im be say if you see anywhere wey you see salesman o, e go put for there say make dem promote them. I'll come put comma. As I put comma, e don go logical test 2. You see am so? You come click this thing again, highlight everything, tell am equal. If e equal, make we do another one. Make we do HR. Make you do HR. So if this thing equal HR, wetin make e do? We go tell am say wetin make you tell am o? Tell am say retain. As I put comma, e don drop go logical test 3. You see as e dey go, you fit use am do as many as possible, but make you no allow am dey too long so dat e no go confuse you sef wey you dey do am. For dis logical 3 now, I go come put, make I do regional manager equals regional manager. So you go come ask me say wetin make e do for regional manager, wetin we fit do for manager oo. Okay, so we go tell am say by Christmas hamper, as to say na Christmas season we dey, come tell am say make e buy regional manager Christmas hamper. I will test dis one, the last one again, come here equals accountant. Wetin make e do for accountant oo? Make we say increase salary. You fit do as many as possible, but for the sake of dis video I go stop for here now. I go come press enter. As I press enter now, e don show for here. So e don see say anybody wey e write salesman, e don see say na promote. See all the salesman, all of dem say promote. And den see am now, e don do all the thing wey we ask am to do. Na so we dey take use if and ifs for inside data analytics matter. No forget to subscribe put for my channel and den comment, share. I go see you for my next video. Bye.